What? Okay, closer.
Mommy, close to the sock where we're pumping at.
What are you doing?
Well, no, we have to pump. I got need to be at the pump side.
Okay. Okay.
This side.
All right. And what are you doing?
We're going to pump. No.
Yes.
Close to this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
What are you doing?
We're pumping it.
Pumping what?
Pumping the sock.
Do you think that will work?
Uh-huh.
Why? You sure?
Because there's a little bit of air.
Yeah?
And see?
Marie, what do you say? Don't cover. Don't cover the camera.
No, Mommy. No, you look down.
Yeah?
And see, it's wiggling because the air is too full.
Yeah? You think so? How come you're not pumping, Louis? You just asked Marie to pump it?
Yeah.
Why don't you pump?